See this paragraph question, you have been given three columns. First column contains equation of conic, second is containing equation of tangent to the conic, and the third is containing point of contact. Okay, so first of all, we can first match the columns up and then start looking at the questions. So this paragraph question has three questions. We will look at each of them one by one. So let's first start matching. Okay, this is equation of a circle of radius a, you know that. Okay, which is equation of the tangent? This one, right? Okay, if you remember, fine. Okay, otherwise maybe it is a good time that you start remembering. And this is the point of contact. And similarly, we don't need to solve it here, we need to remember. This is equation of an ellipse, you remember? A square, if you divide by a square, you will see that it's equation of an ellipse. So this is equation of an ellipse. Equation of a tangent matching to that ellipse is this, and the point of contact should be this. Similarly, the third one is a parabola. Point Equation of tangent, if you divide by m, you will know that is what you have might have seen earlier. So this is the point of contact. And the third one is a hyperbola. Okay, so only one is remaining, you can anyways match it. So this and this. Now let's look at the question. They are saying for a is root 2, so they are giving some information. A is root 2, then the point of contact is also given, is minus 1 comma 1. Then they are asking which of the following option is the correct option. Okay, so now combination is the correct combination. First of all, you see that first I can see that first anyways is not a correct I need not check, right? Because 1 is going to 2, here 1 is going to 1. This looks correct. Similarly, 2 goes to 2. That's also not correct, right? So anyways, this looks correct. Yeah, and this also looks correct. So we have only two options to go forward. Okay, the 1 and 3. Okay, so this and this. So what do we do to start with? First of all, we need to check, right, for this value of a, whether this point is on that curve or not. Correct? Let's start checking. So for the first one, let's check x square. Okay, I am going to plug in minus 1 for x, and for y I am going to plug in 1. Is it equal to, what is it equal to? 2. Is it a square? A is this, right? So root 2 square, is it? Yes. Okay, so definitely this is lying on that curve. Fine. Before checking anything further, let's also check the third one. Okay, if the point is on this curve, so y square. Okay, so y square is equal to 4 times a is given to you is root 2, and x is, see, y square, right? So y is actually positive 1. Okay, anyways, this and this, and this is not true. Okay, doesn't matter. So this is all not true, so we are done with this question actually. Okay, b is the correct option. Let's look at the next question. So this question, what are they doing is they are telling you the tangent equation. Okay, y is equal to x plus 8, and they are also giving you the point of contact, that is 8 comma 16. Now they are again asking you which of the correct combination. Now if you vaguely see, then all of them are correct combinations, right? I think so. Yeah, no, this last one is not right, right? 3 1, yeah, this is not correct. Okay, anyways, now let's start checking. What do we do? See, tangent equation is given in slope intercept form. Okay, so we have to work with these two columns. Okay, let's start with the first one first. Okay, this is equation of a tangent of a parabola. If I write it in slope intercept form, I am getting, uh, I will divide by m. Okay, so I am going getting this. Okay, now let's compare. Okay, let's compare this one and this two, because they're equation of the tangents, right? So when I compare, I get m is 1. Okay, and if I compare the second one also, intercept, a by m is 8, and now just now you said m is 1, so you got a value to be 8. Okay, so I got m is 1 and a is 8. Now who is going to test whether I'm correct or not? This point of contact. Okay, just go ahead and check whether this point a by m square comma 2a by m, okay, with this we are going to get what they have given you. Okay, 8 comma 16. Let's check it out. So a is 8 and m is 1. So actually it does, right? You are getting 8 comma 16, which is the point of contact. So both are satisfied. Okay, so this looks to be a correct option, and they are saying that only correct combination, so it should be 3 1 and p. 3. Okay, so C option says 3 1 and p. I need not check anyone else because we are already there. Okay, let's look at the next question. Now in this question they are giving you point of contact, that is root 3 and half. and the other is equation of the tangent. Okay, now if I want, I can always write it in slope intercept form, right? Taking x on the other side and dividing by a 2. Okay, this becomes 2 then. So this is my tangent equation. Now what I'm supposed to do, I'm supposed to compare, right, with the equation of the tangents here, and then check column 3 whether it's the same as point of contact. We are getting correct point of contact. Okay, now let's go ahead. Before moving ahead, let's check one thing. Can you see that the both coordinates are positive here, like same signs? And equation of tangent, what they have given, I can definitely figure out that the slope is negative root 3 by 2. Now, if you look at this option, okay, can you see if I put m is negative, okay, I am going to get both are opposite signs coordinate, okay, because if a is suppose positive, then this will be negative and this will be positive, right? So this is out, okay, because the both the coordinates will have opposite signs. So will this one. Can you again check? Yeah, m is negative, okay, so this will be becoming positive and this is negative then. Okay, so this is also out. So what we are left with, we don't have to consider this option. Okay, this is completely out. Okay, this option and this option is out. Okay, we have to only check two of them. So let's start checking with the first one first. So the equation given to you is y is equal to mx plus a under root m square plus 1. We have to compare, right? M already we know. Now, what do we want? We want this to be 2. So let's write that a under root m square. This is my m. M square will be 3 by 4 plus 1. That I want to be 2. So from here, I should be getting value of a. What do I get? This is root 7 by 2. So 4 by root 7. That's the value of a. Now, what next I'm going to do? I'm just going to check, right? This point of contact, are we getting the same point? Okay, let's go ahead and check that. Minus m. Okay, minus of minus m, this is minus root 3 by 2. A is 4 by root 7, and what is under root 1 plus m square? That is root 7 by 2. Root 7 by 2, comma, let's write it. Okay, I know you don't need to write it, but that's okay. A value is 4 upon root 7 upon, this is how much? Root 7 by 2. Okay, what I'm getting here? See, definitely not half, right? I'm not getting half over here. Neither you will see now I'm neither getting a root 3 over here. So this is not correct. Okay, so this option is not correct. Now, if you are in hurry, you just say that, okay, this option is also out. Then we are only left with pink option. Okay, but let's check it out. Okay, so pink one, right? Y is equal to mx plus under root a square m square plus 1. Now, m is already this. What do you want this? I'm comparing, you understand that this is equation of the tangent, this is given, and this is the known tangent. Okay, m we already compared, got minus root 3 by 2. We have to compare the intercept also. So a square m square plus 1, I want it to be 2. Okay, m value I can plug in again. M is root 3 by 2, so I get 3a square by 4 plus 1. Square it up. Okay, just remove this, is equal to 4. So what do I get? 3a square by 4 is equal to how much? 3. Okay, so a square is 4. A can be plus or minus 2. Let's have a to be 2. Okay, if a is 2. Now, do I get, if I plug in a is 2, let's see. I'm getting a is 2. That's 4 times root 3 by 2. And what is this whole value? Under root a square m square plus 1. We said that it is 2, right? So I'm going to write it 2. Okay, you see I'm getting root 3. Okay, so m is minus root 3 by 2. Yeah, okay, and this is half. So definitely what I'm getting is root 3 and half. Okay, so this is the correct option. We could have easily checked earlier also. 2 4 and r. So 2 4 and r, that's the option D, which is correct. Okay, so all the three done. See you with another question.